Hi friends, in today's video, we will discuss industry-specific compliance audits, a comprehensive guide. In this guide, we will delve into the nuances of industry-specific compliance audits, providing insights into what organizations can expect when undergoing audits tailored to their particular sector. Understanding industry-specific regulations. Gain insight into your industry's regulatory landscape, including sector-specific laws, standards, and guidelines, and understand compliance requirements for safety, quality, environmental, and consumer protection. Preparation for industry-specific audits. Develop a robust compliance framework for your industry by conducting thorough research, assessing compliance status, and identifying areas for improvement, including policies, procedures, training programs, and monitoring mechanisms. Conducting industry-specific audits. The audit scope and objectives are defined, with compliance areas evaluated based on industry regulations. The audit methodology is chosen, and subject matter experts are engaged for industry-specific insights. Key focus areas in industry-specific audits. Assess industry-specific regulations, standards, and guidelines, evaluate risk management practices, and review performance metrics against industry benchmarks to ensure compliance with safety, quality, and environmental requirements. Reporting and follow-up. Document audit findings, identify deficiencies, and recommend improvements. Collaborate with management on corrective action plans, establish monitoring mechanisms, and ensure compliance over time through effective follow-up. In conclusion, by understanding the intricacies of industry-specific compliance audits and proactively addressing regulatory requirements, organizations can enhance their compliance efforts, mitigate risks, and demonstrate a commitment to excellence within their respective sectors. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos and information.